Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name's Kevin, this is Dwayne, and today we're going to be letting you hear the difference in sound between no TTI, TTI installed in the traditional manner, and a TTI installed at an angle.
So if you're not familiar with what the TTI or Thunder Torque insert is, essentially let's call it what it is, a lollipop. Something that's been around for years. It's something people have been putting in straight pipe exhaust and baffled exhaust, muffled exhaust alike. It's very beneficial to V-twin applications in general, not just Harley-Davidsons, but because those have an inherent issue with exhaust reversion. And that robs performance. It makes your exhaust system much less efficient, but that's not what we're gonna talk about today. We have a whole entire video on the benefits of installing exhaust inserts, speeding up exhaust gas velocity, maintaining a very efficient exhaust system, and we will put that video in the corner up here. But today, like Kevin said earlier, this video is about the sound and how your exhaust will respond to the Thunder Torque inserts.
So the first clip we're gonna listen to is this exhaust with no Thunder Torque insert in here at all.
That's right.
And I should make a note that since putting the cam in, and we'll put a link to the video of the cam that I put in this Tri-Glide, since putting the cam in, it was just too loud and I wanted to quiet it down.
That's right.
So this is a listen to the exhaust with no Thunder Torque insert in it at all.
This is on a set of tab performance exhaust, but the before and after is generally going to be the same. Different slip-ons, different brands, different makes and designs have a different tone and a sound overall, but the TTIs are going to take that sound and they're going to deepen the tone. Whatever that sound is, they will deepen the tone.
And so, lower the decibel rate. Right,
so if you have 10-inch drag pipes, obnoxiously loud, the TTIs will deepen the tone. If you have a full exhaust system, 2 into 1 into 2 with baffles in your full 4.5-inch slip-ons, whatever that sound is, the TTIs will deepen the tone. So don't put too much stock into what exhaust we're running, what exhaust application we have. Just know these are before and after results, and you can use that as reference to what your before and after may be.
So the first here is with no TTIs in it. The next is with the TTIs in it in the traditional way where the cup portion is facing directly outward. It's straight up and down, parallel with the baffle.
And this will get you the deepest tone. And then the third application, the TTIs are adjustable. You can rotate them. Think of them as the butterfly valve in your intake. If you rotate it to about a 45-degree angle, which is my personal favorite position for them, it's a happy medium. If you put them in there flush, as we shown in the second go around, it might be too deep for you. And without the TTIs, it might be too obnoxious. So rotating them to a 45-degree angle, half open, half closed, might be a perfect setting for you.
So what I ended up liking the best for my ears and for Mary's ears was the traditional setting. So here's a drive-by with no Thunder Torque inserts installed. Here's a drive-by with the Thunder Torque inserts installed in the traditional manner And this is the one that we ended up liking the best. It doesn't mean it's the best, doesn't mean you'll like it the best. It's what we like the best for us.
While it did lower the decibel, you may not be able to hear it over, your computer or phone speaker, but I can assure you it's much less clap to it. It's much less resonating sound. Your neighbors will like you more. The people on the other side of the neighborhood aren't going to hear it as easily as if you didn't have these inserts in there just blowing sound out.
Opposite of neighbor haters.
Right.
Now you said that they're lollipops, and they are. That was the genesis of them. But we have thousands of hours of work on hundreds of prototypes to take the lollipop principle and refine it and make it better. If the patented shape of the Thunder Torque inserts helps speed up the exhaust gases going out, the cup that is left helps catch the reversion and stop it from going back up the pipe.
And if you want to learn how these Thunder Torques work more in depth, a write-up we've done on our website, there's a link to that in the description below. As you guys may be aware, we offer various sizes to make these inserts more universal. If you have any questions at all about fitment into your exhaust, the best way for us to confirm fitment for you is to send us a picture looking into the exit of your exhaust. Because here's the thing, as long as you're able to mount these at or near the exit, the results can only be positive. It's just a matter of which size do you need, how do you need to mount them, where do you need to mount them, is your baffle going to interfere with mounting them, do you need to mount them in the baffle, do you need to mount them in the tip? We've seen every possible combination or application that these could possibly be installed in, but I'm not familiar with the thousands of exhausts out there. So the best way for me to confirm for you what will work for you, just send me a picture looking into the exit of your exhaust, and you can send that to support@dkcustomproducts.com.
Y'all ride safe out there.